Welcome to Master in Chart. Today we will discuss about trading and investment, episode number 3. Trading versus investment, a comprehensive analysis. The financial markets provide individuals with various avenues to participate in wealth creation. Two prominent approaches are trading and investment, each characterized by distinct strategies, goal, and time horizons. Understanding the difference between trading and investment is crucial for anyone seeking to navigate the complex landscape of financial market. Trading is inherently short-term in nature. Traders focus on exploiting immediate market opportunities, holding position for relatively brief duration ranging from minutes to day. The emphasis is on capitalizing on price fluctuation with compressed time frame. Investing, on other hand, is a long-term endeavor. Investors adopt a patient outlook, typically holding asset for years, even decades. The goal is to benefit from gradual appreciation of asset over an extended period, aligning with the philosophy of buy and hold. The primary objective of trading is to generate profit from short-term market movement. Traders employ various strategies including technical analysis, chart patterns, and algorithmic trading to capitalize on price volatility. Profits are often realized through frequent buying and selling of financial instruments. Investing centers around accumulation of wealth over a long period of time. Investors seek to build a portfolio of assets that will appreciate over time, contributing a long-term financial goal such as retirement planning, education funding, or generation wealth transfer. Trading is characterized by high activity levels. Trader executes multiple transactions within a single day, reacting swiftly to market news and price changes. The dynamic nature of trading demands constant attention and quick decision making. Investing involves lower activity levels. Investors typically make fewer transactions and focus on the overall performance of the portfolio over extended periods. Monitoring is less frequent, allowing investors to take more relaxed approach to market fluctuations. Trading is inherently riskier due to the short-term nature and reliance on the market timing. Traders may use leverage to amplify their position, increasing both potential returns and the level of risk. The fast-paced environment can lead to significant financial gains, but also exposes traders to possibility of substantial losses. Investors generally assume more moderate to low level of risk. Long-term horizons provide a cushion against short-term market fluctuations, allowing for a patient approach. While investments are not immune to market volatility, the risk is often mitigated through the diversification and strategic allocation of assets. Continuous monitoring is essential for traders. Market conditions, news, and price movement must be closely observed throughout the trading day. Technical indicators and real-time data are crucial for making informed decisions in the fast-paced trading environment. Investors do not need to monitor their portfolio as actively as trader. Periodic review, perhaps on a quarterly, annual basis, are often sufficient. This more relaxed monitoring style align with the long-term perspective of investment. Instrument. Traders frequently engage in the use of derivative such as option, future to gain exposure to price movement without owing the underlying assets. These financial instruments allow for speculation on market direction and potential for higher returns. Investors commonly opt for the direct ownership of assets, stock, bond, real estate, and other tangible assets are held with intention of benefit from the long-term appreciation. Investment funds like mutual fund, ETF may also be employed to achieve diversification. Trading demands a disciplined and emotionally resilient mindset. The fast-paced, high-stake environment can trigger emotional responses such as fear and greed. Successful trader must develop the ability to make rational decisions under pressure and manage their emotion effectively. Investing required a more patient and long-term perspective. While market downturn may occur, investors are encouraged to stay the course and avoid making impulsive decisions based on the short-term fluctuations. Emotional discipline is essential for maintaining steady investment strategy. Frequent trading may result in a higher tax implication. Short-term capital gain are typically taxed at higher rate than the long-term gain. Trader must carefully consider the tax consequences and their transaction. Investor benefits from the tax treatment on the long-term capital gains. Trading offers a higher degree of flexibility, allowing participants to adapt quickly changing market conditions. Trader can enter and exit positions swiftly, adjusting their strategies based on real-time information. Investing is characterized by a more rigid approach. The long-term nature of investment may limit the ability to react swiftly to short-term market developments. However, this lack of agility aligns with the patient and strategic mindset of investors. Successful trading requires a specific skill set, including technical analysis, chart reading, and risk management. Trader must be adept at interpreting the market indicators and making the quick decision under pressure. Investing demands a different skill set focused on the fundamental analysis, strategic planning, and deep understanding of economic trends. Investors need the patience to weather market volatility, make informed decisions based on a long-term perspective. In summary, trading and investment represent two distinct approaches to the financial markets, each with its own set of characteristics and considerations. The choice between trading and investment depends on individual preference, risk tolerance, time commitment, and financial goal. Some individuals may opt for the hybrid approach, combining elements of both trading and investment to create a diversified and well-balanced portfolio. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like and share with your family and friends.